Today I'm going to be working on a 2010 Mini Cooper S.
The truth.
Well, today's a nice rainy day, so perfect day to work on the cars, at least the ones in the garage. Because today I'm going to be putting new light bulbs in the Mini Cooper's headlights and fog lights down there. So let's go ahead and get the hood open on the Cooper so we can start accessing the headlights. Now, because I'm doing this in the garage, I can control the lights and the ceiling up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off, and we're going to see a before and after with the new headlight bulb in. Alright, so the headlights are pretty easy to access. It's just got this little panel right here. It's going to press on it with your thumb. This whole part pops off. And then now, I don't know how well you can see back in here, we have access to our headlight right there. And it's going to be the same on the other side of the car as well. And you just press right here, it folds open, you can just remove that. And then again, our headlight is right down inside there. And basically what you're going to do, just kind of reach your hand in there, give it a twist to the left, and the bulb and assembly is going to come out. Wish I could show you, but I can barely just fit my hand in there. But there's our actual bulb. Now to remove the actual bulb itself, you're just going to kind of squeeze this guy right here and pulling the bulb out while you pull this way on the plug. You'll see what I'm talking about here in just a second. And just like that, our bulb is removed. Let's go ahead and get our new LED bulbs out of the packaging. Alright, so we got the new headlights and the new fog lights. I'll link both of these down in the description below. The new headlights are going to be an H13 bulb. But obviously these are the LEDs and not the traditional halogen bulbs. Now, I've gone with the Headlight brand before for the MR2. I really like their products. I am not sponsored by them at all. These LED bulbs are actually pretty cool because the cooling fans integrated into the back of the bulb here. So that's how it helps keep cool. Other styles have a bit differently, but they do basically the same thing. But I haven't had a problem with my MR2 ones yet, so I doubt I'll have a problem with these. But let's go ahead and get these installed in the Cooper for the headlights. Now to get it plugged in, it's basically the reverse order of how we took it out. We're going to go ahead and plug this end into the connector right down here. The good thing about these ones is you don't have to like splice wires or anything like that. It's literally just a plug and play. So let's go ahead and get it plugged in really quick. Alright, now we're just going to put it back in the hole and turn it to the right. These have little teeth on them. You can kind of see if I can get better light on it. Looks like you got two down here at the bottom and one here at the top. If you look inside, you can see coordinating teeth cutouts. Maybe, if I can focus. Coordinating teeth cutouts on that white ring right there. So that's what we're going to match up this end to. Alright, and just like that, it's in. So let's go ahead and get our little back cover. It just fits into these two little keyhole slots on here, and then snaps to close. And it's the exact same for the passenger side as well. This is with the old halogen bulbs. And here's our new LED headlights in. Alright, to get access to the fog lights, you're going to have to turn the wheel. So if you're working on the left side, you're going to have to turn your wheel to the left. If you're working on the right side, you got to turn your wheel to the right. So let's turn to the left real quick. Alright, so I set up my LED light stick back here so we can see what's going on. But you got to remove this little cover right here. So we're just going to turn it to the left. and it'll pop right out. Come on. There it goes. We can just set that aside really quick. Now we have access to our fog light. It is going to be the one with the little yellow on it. That's our fog light. The other one is like almost like a daytime running light kind of thing. So let's go ahead and unplug it. What you're going to do is just going to squeeze on the bottom side down here. It's going to release the little tabs up top, and you're going to pull the plug right off. Now, just like with our headlight, we're going to give it a turn to the left, and it's going to release the little tabs, and then we're just going to pull it straight out of there. And there we go. Now, let's go unbox our LED ones. This is the part number for the new fog lights. Alright, again, I like these little LED bulbs that this company makes. Again, not sponsors, this is my honest opinion. I do like them a lot. Very reliable, and the price is not too bad. Again, I'll link these down in the description below, along with the headlights. But let's go ahead and get these on the car. Alright, so it's pretty much just a reverse order to get this thing in there. We're going to stick it in, turn it to the right, and then we're going to go ahead and connect our connector on the bottom side. Once the clips are in place, make sure you go ahead and get your wires tucked up in there as well. You don't want them hanging out. Now it's time to put a little plastic piece back on here. It's just got these 3 tabs that connect into the 3 slots and the wheel well, and you're just going to give it a twist. Once you get that back in place, your fog lights are all done. It's going to be the same operation on the other side of the car. You're just going to be turning your wheel the other direction. And this is with our LED fog lights on as well with the headlights. I know this was a quick, easy video. I just know my wife has a hard time seeing at night. So hopefully these LED headlights is going to improve that a lot for her being able to see. But if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. Hope this video helped. If you enjoyed any of the background music in these videos, please check out the artist's SoundCloud. The link is in the description.